What's up, guys? I'm back here again with some more Happy Wheels, and I'm here with Tommy.
Tommy Gamer 12300.
Alright. So, yeah, I'm here with Tommy, and we are going to be playing some Happy Wheels today. Is that right, Tommy?
Tommy Gamer 12300.
Okay, well, that's his channel. So I'm just gonna call him Tommy in this video. So now that you know, his channel is Tommy Gamer 12300, we will be playing some Happy Wheels. Now let's play, bros. As PewDiePie would say. Read this before you go. Hello, thanks for playing this level. This level is all about what I and others hate about Happy Wheels. Proceed forward to see what I mean. Oh, great.
Whatever.
The first thing of all I hate are these blocks colors. Just use another color like neon or black, but not basic blue. Your level looks noob if you use this basic color. That's true. Second thing I hate, don't use words rate 5 if you survived. Rate 5, rate 5, rate 5. This is my first level, so rate 5. I run out of shape, so rate... forget this.
Yeah.
The third thing I hate about levels, because they are boring all the same. And all the same. I don't have a problem with it, but if you make something special, like no one... big whoop. Sword throw. Rate 5 if you got them all. Why is that? Sword throws are awesome, too. Bottle runs. Bottle runs are fun, and so are jet walls.
Oh!
Okay. Those are all really fun. I don't know, why does this guy have to be a hater? Son, get your foot out of my butt! Okay, whoa, and much more like jet fall, ball fall, ball throw. Nah, forget it. But the worst of all are levels with fake glitches. Rate 5, restart, naked hot girl. Oh my god. I hate those two, actually. Thanks for reading. You know what? This guy's just being a hater, honestly. Don't you think, Tommy?
Yep.
X and XX show.
That guy's being the
Well, I can't believe people still fall for this. This cannot be real. Are you kidding me? Is this gonna happen again? Well, I hope you load. You better load. Oh, wow, it's not one of the rate 5 ones. This is disgusting. Oh, jeez. Oh, God. This is awful.
No, it's like pretty funny.
No, it's pretty funny, but it's awful. Is that? No, I just saw something. Something ways to die.
Oh.
I just saw it.
No.
What? What?
Go.
What? PewDiePie?
Yeah.
What? No, Tommy, this isn't PewDiePie.
Okay, fine.
PewDiePie's way better than I am. Gullipative helicopter. Let's try this.
Helicopter man.
How do you pick the guy up? I don't get it. You just go on him?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Because I don't even... That works. Whee! Dong, 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 ding, dong. Oh, God.
Oh.
Well, then, as you know, that guy, he's just like, well, then. Dang it.
Oh. Yeah. Okay.
Let's go. Whee! Are you going up even? What? Okay.
What the heck?
What? Oh! Oh! Okay then.
Oh, that one sucks.
No, it doesn't suck. This is actually pretty funny. Oh shit. Boing! Whee! Well, I don't know how fast we're going right now or anything, but, oh, that's how fast we're going. Let's go pick that guy up. Okay, let's pick him up. What? How do you pick the guys up, Tommy? I don't even know. How do you do it? Tommy, how do you do it? Do you just go on top of them?
Yeah.
Oh, that's not how you do it.
Yeah. Yeah, you
You just go on top of... Oh, wait,
yeah.
Did I get him? I didn't even get him. Tommy. You just go on top of him?
Try again and...
What? Piece of... Oh, you hold spacebar, I think. I just figured that out.
Okay.
I swear. Yeah, there you go. See? I just figured that out. Wait, so where do you... I think that's where you put him? I guess so. Now where... What? Okay.
What
Do you go up here? Oh, yeah, you go up here. The helicopter guy's pretty cool, actually. So I know... Whoa! Oh, jeez!
What the...
What does that say? Oh, you know what? I can't read that.
Yeah, I think it's,
German! It's German! Whoops.
How do you know that it's German?
I don't know that it's German. I'm just guessing.
Okay.
Let's see. How fast are we going? I don't even know. Does it matter? Oh, that fast. Okay. Oh, shit. Okay, well, that guy's there. Let's go! He's still on there.
Let's go forward.
I can't. Oh my god. That was hard. That was funny, actually.
Crap. This is such a amazing.
This is a pretty cool level. Gotta admit, even though I can't read it. Okay.
What?
Okay. I don't know how fast we're going or anything again. Where are we? Oh, we're there.
Yeah.
Oh, wait a minute. I gotta go get the kid.
Yeah. And
Got him.
In the cannon.
Yeah, that's probably what you gotta do.
Maybe.
Yeah. What the hell? Oh no! God, no!
Oh,
How did you? No, don't. Okay, that was pretty funny.
Yeah.
That was a good level. I gotta admit. Horror story part what? The impossible level. I don't know how impossible this really could be, but.
Let's do this.
What? Okay.
Yeah, that was like pretty.
How was that rated 5? How to use monster tur. Let's see what we can do here. The monster tur. I don't know what this is. Oh, that's sick. Space, nitro, shift, shoot. Okay, got it. Shift, shoot. Oh god. I can't even see below me. That's ridiculous. Woohoo! Oh, whoa! Jeez. That's pretty cool. Ball throw. Oh, I love ball throws.
Yeah, me too. And also like.
Let's choose this guy.
Throws.
Sword throws are all. What?
You can't even do them.
That was lame. Oh, my leg! Oh, crap.
Excellent.
Maybe he's too fat.
Yeah, you need to.
I need to change the character because he's.
Yeah, to
this guy. Okay, yeah, fat black guy. Let's see. What did I just hit?
Oh.
What did I hit?
I think you would.
No! 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 Yes!
Oh wow.
Let's try and get my leg. No, that's not my leg.
Okay. Let's
I need to. Oh my god, these guys are way too fat. Let's choose like wheelchair guy. He's not fat. He just that doesn't work. That doesn't work. It doesn't work.
Oh crap. Okay. Choose a different character like
this guy. Yeah, he's good. He's good.
Oh.
Whoa! Go.
That's again.
What?
Holy.
Oh my leg. Okay, I get the idea.
Let's try that again.
Yeah. How do you win?
Try to get it in the win box.
Oh yeah, duh. What'd I hit?
Death.
I did? I don't see any death happening. Oh crap, never mind.
Okay. This level is...
Oh my leg! Yes!
This level is actually pretty hard.
Yes! That was pretty cool. That was actually really cool. Heart donation 2000X. These never work for me. Don't know why, they just don't. These just don't work for me.
Whoa.
I really hope this one works. That'd be cool. I don't know if it's working correctly. Oh, well, it seems like it. Not sure.
Oh, wow.
Is it working right?
Yeah.
I guess so.
Ah.
What? How's that even? Oh, that's so lame. I hate when those ones never work. Rope swing. I love rope swings. Okay, proceed. Get off. There we go. Whee! What? Okay. Sorry, I don't know why I didn't. Okay. Whee! Yeah! Damn it. Whee! Grab it. There we go. I'm safe! Oh, dang it.
Well, you aren't. So
you're right, I'm not, am I?
Again.
Yes, got it. No! Damn it.
Oh. Frick.
Yeah, frick. No! God damn it.
God.
I hate rope swings, but I also really... No!
What the hell?
Fuck, damn it. No! Wait.
Oh my god.
Yes, that's a nice noise.
Why?
Tommy, stop flipping off the camera. Just kidding.
I'm not.
I know. Oh, no! Oh!
Oh.
Okay. How do I can't... Oh my god. I suck at these. What? It's not even fair.
Yeah, because the arm fell off.
Yeah, duh. Oh crap.
Frick.
That really sucked. This is why I suck at rope swings. No! Okay.
Duh.
Yeah.
Just get off.
I'm gonna. I'm just trying to... There we go. I can't do this. I can't do this.
Okay, well, maybe well.
Oh, 100% impossible. I think this should be. This isn't possible. Just made this for fun.
Wow.
How's it not That's pretty cool.
And also, this is possible.
Oh, dang it.
Almost made it.
Frick.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Dang it. I'm trying. This isn't impossible. Oh no, it says this isn't impossible. Just made it for fun. Dang it. I can see how this is possible.
It's possible, so he's just being a jerk.
What? Yeah, it said 100% impossible.
About this level.
Yeah, it said 100% impossible.
So then that would mean Aaron Sam is a jerk about this level that he made.
I like this guy. Let's choose him. Ball falling. Oh, well, he's not going to work with that one.
Yeah.
With a ball fall, he's not going to work.
You need to choose,
Just choose wheelchair guy. What? Oh my gosh, look at all that lag. Okay, 10 balls. Okay, 20 balls.
Oh! Freak. I've actually done one of these levels before.
I forget, how do you rotate his jet? Totally forgot, actually. Do you know?
Oh, whoa.
Dang it. You know how his jet can rotate on his wheelchair? You know? Do you know? Yes, you do. Tommy, he was in your video.
I don't know.
Yes, you do know. You just... you do know.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you did it in your video.
60 balls?
I have 60 balls.
Whoa.
80 balls. I have 80 balls. I have 80 balls now.
Wow.
90 balls. Okay.
Whoa.
100 balls. I have 100 balls.
You need to try to get through it.
I'm sorry. Oh, I didn't get the call.
Ah! But you got done with it.
That's true, I did it. I got a victory on it.
Yeah.
Neon gravity test. Ooh. Oh, kill them all. That looks fun. I just got distracted.
Yeah.
Go backwards.
Oh.
What? Okay. What? Oh, okay. Oh, it's for Markiplier. Cool. I like that guy. That guy's really awesome.
Oh!
God!
Die, Santa! Go up!
That was nice and fun. Wait. Whoa.
Oh, whoa.
No, I want to get that guy. No,
Ah!
Dang it.
Frick,
I need to get the guy.
Let you.
I know.
Ah.
I'm gonna get the guy. Oh, you know what I should do? It'd be cool. You know that level, Car Thief? If it's on here, if it's gonna let me. Oh, there you go. This level, it's called Car Thief. So there it is. It'd be really fun to play with Helicopter Guy, probably.
What?
Whee! See, it'd be really fun to play with him.
Oh, yeah. Now,
now I just gotta go. Yeah.
Go down.
I'm gonna.
You need to go down.
I'm gonna.
To, like, see what you're doing.
Bam! Crap!
You need to the different guy, or maybe even that guy.
What happened?
What the crap? He died in the house.
Yeah, it's kind of weird.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Lol.
Oh.
Helicopter Guy laughs at that.
Oh man. Whoa, wow. After that.
Whee!
Oh, Frank, goodbye, Bob.
Wow, you think? I can't do this. What the crap?
Yeah,
Are you kidding me? His remote in the water, he drowned to death.
Oh my god.
Okay, that one was pretty fun, I gotta admit.
Yeah, not that one.
Ball falling. Oh wait, did we just do that one?
Yeah, I think we did.
Torture Chamber. Let's do that. Torture Chamber 1.2. What? Stop moving! Pointless level 1. No. Torture Chamber 2. Let's play it.
Okay.
Okay. There's a word from our Tommy.
Whatever.
No. What? Okay, thanks. Welcome to
let's go.
I'm trying. He didn't let me. Nutcracker. This is
no,
your neighbor. Wait, Tommy, I'm trying.
let's,
I know what to do. I know what to do. I know what to do. This is your neighbor. He always plays his music as loud as possible. This is a good punishment, isn't it? Yep. That's a pretty good punishment. Classic torture. This guy inserted his pogo stick in your daughter. Oh, God. No, it's your turn. Insert some pain. What? This is not... Oh, I get what's going to happen here.
Oh, now let's watch it. Actually, let's,
Oh, jeez. Jesus.
now let's move on. Jackson.
I am.
Okay.
Side effects. This little shit farted and it blamed it on you. Show him that you are the boss. That was pretty fun. It's lagging so much. Look how much it's lagging. Exploding T3. This is someone who tried to steal your life. Wipe his life away just to be sure. Oh, jeez.
Yeah, this
1,000 kilogram. This guy is a hunter. He shoots animals like lions, tigers, elephants, etc. He makes a lot of money for killing other creatures. This prick deserves no life. That's true. Oh, God. Jeez.
Holy shit.
Poisonous arrows. Oh, God. This is your babysitter. You caught her stealing your money. Put some arrows in her face.
Holy shit.
Oh, jeez. Sweet.
Holy fuck.
The box. He can't sing. That's all.
Whoa, what the fuck? Part 3?
There's a part 3? Oh.
No.
Oh,
it's,
yeah. Pointless level. I'd kind of like to see this, honestly.
What?
Oh.
Oh!
That was funny.
Yeah, that's actually pretty. It's pointless.
It's pointless, but it's funny. No.
Okay, so like
I get the idea, I think.
Maybe we should like stop it for now because there was so much lagging in it.
No, it's just because there's so much. Oh, it's loading. Oh, there we go. Punishment.
Okay. So now there isn't any.
No. That's not death.
What the
Accident with a
heck?
heavy ball. Oh, jeez. Oh, God, I know what's gonna... Oh.
Oh. Wow.
Head remover 1.1.
Oh.
Jeez. Head crusher 1.00. Oh, God. Vengeance. I said vengeance. Oh, there we go. Car accident.
Okay, let's be done.
Oh, God. Yeah, we should probably be done. What? And there's my mom telling me to turn it down. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe, and make sure to subscribe to TommyGamer12300, and we will see you guys next time.